we will learn how to convert decimals into two fractions. In our earlier video, we learned to convert fractions to decimals, but in this video, we will see the converse of that. As we have already learned that fraction and decimal are two ways of representing the same numerical value, and therefore it is always possible to convert a fraction to decimal and vice versa. So now let us take a simple example that there is a fraction 0.5. Now how to convert into decimal? So first step is that we write like this as numerator and denominator, and depending upon how many decimal places are there after the decimal, we will put so many zeros in the denominator. Denominator is something which is down, numerator is something which is above. So in this case there is only one place after decimal, so it will be 1 0, and 5 by 10 as we know is 1 by 2, so this is half. So half is can be written like this and half is can be written like this also. So let us take another example, 0.125. Now in this case, how many places after decimal? 3 places. So what we will do is 125 divided by 1 and 3 decimals. And this, if we simplify, if we divide by 25 first, so it will become 5 by 40, and then further divide by 5 both numerator and denominator, it will become 1 by 8. So 0.125 and 1 by 8 are the same numerical value. Now this is very simple, but when it comes to repeating decimals like 0.3, so which this means 0.33333, and this is equal to 0.333333333, and so on. So in this situation, how do we convert such fraction to decimal? So for that we take help of algebra a little bit. So first we will say x is equal to 0.3 this. So this is our equation number 1. Then we will multiply this equation by 100. So we will by 10. So we will multiply it by 10. So what we will do is we will multiply 1 by 10, and that means we will multiply left hand side as well as right hand side both by 10. So this will become 10x, and this side if we multiply 0.3 bar, so this will become 3.3. This is how the equation number 2 will come. And now what we will do is we will subtract from 2 the equation number 1. So subtract 1 from 2. When we do that, so this left hand side will become 10x minus x, and the right hand side will become 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. So this will become 3.0. So 9x will become 3.0, and therefore x will be equal to 1 by 3. And so this is same value, 1 by 3 and 0.3 bar is the same value. Now let's see one more example of say 1.27 with bar on both 2, 7. So in that case, what we need to do? Again, we will use the same, we'll take the same help of algebra, and we will solve this. So let's take x. We have to convert this 1.27 bar, which means 1.272727 like this. So first step, x is equal to 1.27 bar. So this is number 1. Then we will multiply this equation both sides by by 100. When we multiply this, then this will become 100x and this will become 127.27. Again, we will subtract 1 from 2, 1 from 2, and this will, when we will subtract this 100, x minus 1x, and this side is 127.27 minus 1.27. So this will become 99x and this side will become 126. So basically learn one thing, that our main objective is that on the right hand side we are able to get rid of this repeating decimal. So we need to manipulate these two equations in such a fashion that we are able to first eliminate the repeating decimal. So we have got 126. Now x is equal to 126 by 99. And if you simplify this, first we will divide by 3. So this will be 342 and 33. And we can further simplify. Again, this will get divided by, because 4, 2, 6, 9, it will again get divided by 3. It will become 14 by 11. So 14 by 11 is same as 1.27. And 14 by 11 can also be written as 3 by 11. So summarizing what we have learned in this particular video is that we have seen how to convert decimal to fractions, and we have taken both the simple cases where it is terminating fraction, and we have also seen cases where it is recurring or repeating decimal. In case of recurring and repeating decimal, we need to take the help from algebra by first setting that value equal to x and then multiplying suitably such that on the right hand side we are able to eliminate, or we are able to eliminate the repeating part of the decimal, and then we can get the value of x. So that is the basic trick in converting decimal to fraction. Thank you.